I picked up these potato chips, I believe, based on the spicy noodles that went viral. I know, dangerous. It looks good. I like it. It looks promising. It's an interesting shape. I like that. Mmm. Wow. Oishi. Oishi. Sugoi. Oishi means delicious. Sugoi means great. It's like this amazing texture. Wow. It's an amazing texture. Japan has mastered mouthfeel when it comes to their food, fresh or packaged. Japan has manufactured mouthfeel. This is amazing. Excellent as always. Excellent as always, Japan. This is my new favorite chip of all time. Wow. And it's not that spicy, at least to me.